The first option to digitize a worksheet is to use Snap and Read. Students will use the Snap and Read extension to annotate a PDF as a Google Classroom assignment. To begin, you need to have a PDF file. If you do not have a PDF file, you can convert a paper worksheet to a PDF file using any printer in RUSD. Put the paper worksheet in the tray, log in, and then when you see the screen, you're going to select Scan and Send, Send to Myself, and finally click Start. After you've scanned in the paper worksheet, you'll receive an email in your RUSD Gmail account. The email subject will say Attached Image. All you need to do is open up the email, hover over the attachment to see the Add to Drive symbol. Once you click on this symbol, the PDF file will be saved to your Google Drive. If you already have a PDF file saved to your Google Drive, or maybe a Teachers Pay Teachers file to your downloads, you're ready to create a Google Classroom assignment. In Google Classroom, click on the Create button and select Assignment. Give your assignment a title, and then click on the Add button. Select the PDF's location. In this case, it's in my downloads, so I'll select File, find the file, and click on Open. Now that my PDF is attached to this assignment, I can leave it as Students Can View File. Then click the blue Assign button. Students may need to sign in to the Snap and Read extension. They can click on the symbol in their Google Chrome toolbar, select Sign in with Google, click on their RUSD Gmail account, and then they will be signed in to Snap and Read. Now students will begin in Google Classroom, clicking on the Classwork tab. Verify that the Snap and Read extension is turned on, and open up the assignment. They'll need to click on View Assignment and click on the Preview to preview the PDF. Now when they click on the Snap and Read extension, they'll choose Open PDF in Snap and Read. On the left side of the screen, there is a pen tool. Clicking on the pen tool will give students options to annotate this PDF. Clicking on the T allows students to add a text box. As soon as they begin typing, they'll see the text appear on top of the PDF. Scrolling through the page, they can click on the T again to add another text field on top of this PDF. Once the student has filled in all of the text necessary on the PDF, they're going to click on the Save icon and select Download. This PDF will save to the Downloads portion of their Chromebook. They'll return to their Google Classroom and click on Add or Create. Once they select the file, they'll need to upload it from the downloads of their Chromebook. Select the file and click on the blue Open button. They'll notice that the PDF is now attached to this assignment, and they'll be ready to click the blue Turn In button. Here in the teacher view of Google Classroom, you can click on the assignment and choose View Assignment. This will allow you to see each student's attached PDF file. Clicking on the preview will allow you to see the annotated PDF that the student turned in.